Friends, today we are going to uncover the dark side of the share market. Brace yourself for the harsh reality that awaits. Are you ready for the truth? The share market, often touted as a place of wealth and opportunity, has a hidden side. A side that few dare to discuss openly. Behind the scenes, manipulation runs rampant. Powerful individuals and institutions have the ability to control stock prices, turning the market into a playground for the elite. Imagine your hard-earned money at the mercy of these puppet masters. Your investments vulnerable to their hidden agendas. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? But that's not all. Scams and frauds dominate this dark underworld, unsuspecting individuals falling victim to promises of quick riches. Market rumors spread like wildfire, purposely misleading investors and creating chaos. Ultimately, it's the ordinary people, like you and me, who bear the consequences. Our dreams shattered, our finances destroyed. We deserve better, don't we? Transparency, integrity, and a level playing field. It's time to shed light on this dark side and demand change. By educating ourselves and staying informed, we can protect ourselves from the manipulation and scams that plague the share market. So, my friends, stay vigilant, do your research, and question everything. Because only then can we truly navigate the treacherous waters of the share market. Thank you for watching and being a part of this important discussion. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening insights. Together, we can bring about a brighter future for the world of investing.